up there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go again. Good for you. Yeah, you be time. I do boss you. Take the go to the man yapi. I do boss you. Ah, ça va. Vous jamais un temps. Oh, ça. Anti-moi, là. Aïe! Okay, let's go. Ah. Don't worry, don't worry. Pepe. Oh. Oh. Some people will say, you can see, this ball is right here. I'm inside. What that means is, automatically, this is goal line. No goal technology will say this is goal. No goal technology will say this is goal. But if I carry the ball while I'm inside this net, like this, you know, it is not appropriate for you to serve ball regardless of how hasty or how you are in need of goal. You serve ball like this. Automatically, when you carry ball from here, like this, you have scored yourself. That's what it means. So the idea is this: when you get ball like this, in a situation like this, when you get ball like this, you come back, you bring yourself out, you get your ball like this, you come like this, you cover your ball. You know, everybody that is watching you, including the goal line technology, the linesman, the referee, girls, they are watching you. You get your ball like this, you get to your position. Meanwhile, as you are getting up, you are looking for next available free player. Let's go. Last one. So doubt, no doubt, I'm very, very sure and I'm convinced that you enjoyed today's training. If you want us to continue in this form, please like, subscribe, and share. If you remember, we have not been asking you all this why, but we want this to get to some other people, friends and family, strangers, people that know us already and people that don't know us. Encourage us so that we can continue. Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, I say thank you to them.
Thank you all. Love you all. Bye.
Me